Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat. Today is Saturday and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. So we have a 2-layer cake today because it's Saturday. Unless you're a payroll Fly Baby who didn't get to do some or all of your zone or some or all of your basic weekly plans, then it will be a 3-layer cake for you because you'll have some additional basic weekly plans, okay? But we're going to talk about the first 2 things first, then we'll come to if you didn't get those things done. All right, so if you're an at-home Fly Baby or a payroll Fly Baby and you did your things all week long, high five. It is a weekend for you, 2-layer cake, 5 routines, basic weekly plan, 5 routines, morning routine. That means you get up before the family on Saturday and do your morning routine. Then put your children through their routine. Then put a load of laundry in if you still have laundry, like a big family, or maybe you have older children that you've designated this day for them to do their laundry. So little laundry can be handled, but you're definitely going to go through an inch of paper if you have paper clutter still, or at least the mail that runs on Saturday. So you're going to just sort it, put the action items, filing items in your desk, on your desk, in your inbox, and then you're going to shred or destroy the paper that is trash, which most of it will be trash to go right in the garbage or recycles. Okay, then after you've done that, you're going to go right into the basic weekly plan. Today is Family Fun Day. So I hope you thought about it yesterday. I know last night was your date night. I know you slept a little later today, and that's okay. As long as you tell the children they have to stay in bed for the 15 or 30 minutes it takes you to do your morning routine, or on the couch or somewhere. You're not dealing with them, you're dealing with you first, so that you can deal with them well, all right? And then what we're going to do is have fun with the family. So whatever it is that you choose to do, make sure you do that today. If it rains and spoils your plans, have an alternate plan. It's always fun to be with your family. That's why you have a family, right? That's why you had children in the first place, to enjoy them, to love on them, to be with your husband. Remember when you weren't married and you couldn't wait to be together all the time? This is it. This is the time. Okay, and then the other thing is we're going to, after we've had our day, we're going to go down to our last 2 routines, our after dinner routine and our before bed routine. And as you know, we're focusing on the before bed routine this whole summer. So our after dinner routine is a simple cleanup after dinner with the whole family, and then our before bed routine. So on Saturday, your before bed routine is going to mean to look at your calendar or your planner. Oh yeah, church tomorrow, 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, whatever time it is. What time does everybody need to be in bed so that you can get up in the morning and do your morning routine? Allow them to do their morning routine and get yourselves all dressed and out the door, okay? And tell them we're going to church tomorrow if that's your plan. All right, then we're going to get your clothes out for tomorrow. Maybe you want to lay out your children's clothes. Get that all set up before bed. If you've done your children's before bed routines first, that's outstanding. It's Saturday, so tomorrow will be Sunday. They don't have to make a lunch because they're not going to camp or school, more than likely. So there may be other jobs that you want them to do as part of their before routine, feed the dog or refresh the dog's water, or feed the hamster, whatever. But those little tiny things, and then they do their before bed routine. Remember, kids' before bed routines, it's very simple. The first thing is we're going to do a clutter check because we do 3 a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. It keeps clutter at bay so we don't have to re-declutter a room that we need to be deep cleaning, zone cleaning in, okay? So we're going to do our clutter check, then we're going to say 30 minutes till bed, children, so they can play for 30 minutes before their before bed routine, then 5 minutes before your before bed routine, children, and then before bed routine, and which is clean up your mess, put your toys away, or whatever you were doing depending on their age, get their pajamas, wash their face. Well, they don't have to wash their face, they're going to wash it in the shower, but brush their teeth, wipe out the sink from the toothpaste, hang up their hand towel, put their dirty clothes in the dirty clothes, take a shower or bath, and wash their hair if they need to, and then hang their towel up afterwards a way that it can air out so it doesn't get sour. Put on their PJs, go pick out and make sure the bathroom looks nice. So if they've got toys in the tub, if they go in that net that hangs on the wall, that's where they go. Whatever it is, they need to be able to reach it Make sure you get on their level and see what they can reach and what they can do comfortably, because you certainly wouldn't want to have to struggle and strain to put your things away. And it's really hard for children who don't even have the self-discipline yet to do it without your help, without your encouragement. So clean up the bathroom so it looks nice. All right, then they're going to go pick out a story that you're either going to read to them a chapter or a book, or maybe 2 chapters or 2 books, or maybe they're going to read to themselves, or maybe the older ones are going to read to all of you. Whatever it takes, whatever it is, it's a wonderful time to get them settled down for the evening and then in their beds. And then you've got your before bed routine. Again, it's checking your planner, going in the kitchen, making sure those last few dishes are in the dishwasher, turning the dishwasher on, wiping the sink out, putting a new towel out in there, a new tea towel, a new dish towel, put the old one in the wash to hang it up to dry off the edge of a basket or something so you can put it in the laundry. And then you're going to go and get your clothes laid out, as I said. You're going to get your pajamas. You're going to go take your shower or your bath if you do that at night. You're going to clean your face. You're going to moisturize your face. You're going to brush your teeth. You're going to either take care of your hair or brush the day out of your hair, depending on what you've done with your hair. And you're going to settle in your bed with a book or a video or television or your husband or whatever it is that you're doing, chatting or reading or just laying there listening to the crickets until it's time to go to sleep. And then when it's time to go to sleep, you're going to make sure that's the time that it gives you your 6, 7, 8, or 9 hours of sleep that you require, because you're going to get up at a certain time tomorrow in order to have that half hour to yourself. All right, that's it. That's wonderful. Now, if you work and you didn't get your things done during the week, or if you're a payroll flybaby and you neglected your jobs, today's not going to be a fun day for you in the beginning of the day. It's going to be a work day. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't make it fun. It just means it's not going to be as fun as not doing it at all because you did it during the week. So if you didn't, you're going to do your weekly home blessing hour or the parts of it that you missed, or you're going to do your grocery shopping if you couldn't order those, or some things when you work you just can't help. You have to do it on Saturday, and it's okay, but we're not going to spend way too much time doing it. We're going to get it done so we can still enjoy the family. So you're going to do your groceries if you haven't done that. If you haven't done any other of the basic weekly plan items, like if you didn't pay your bills, let's get that done. That is important. A lot of times I'll tell you not to make up for what you passed up, but if you passed it up on purpose, then you're going to have to do it on Saturday. If that was your intent, now we have to take that consequence and do this, okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.